Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Office 365 on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To install Office 365 on your PC, the first thing to do is to make sure you open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.office.com and press enter on your keyboard. Sign in with your Microsoft account by going to the top right hand corner and clicking on the sign in button. Enter your credential for your Microsoft account in the text box. Once you type in your email, click the next button. On the next page, type in your password associated with your Microsoft account and click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your Office 365 account, from the main home page, go to the top right hand corner and click on this Install Office button. In order to install Office 365, you'll need to first redeem a product key. Simply go and click on this I have a product key if you do, or in order to use and install the latest premium apps on your PC or Mac, you'll need to go premium by clicking on this Go Premium button. Go ahead and choose a plan that's best for you and click on Buy Now. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete your purchase, and you'll be able to install Microsoft Office 365 on your PC. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.